we are at the 2022 Ogden Half Marathon. And it's been 2 years since we last run it due to the COVID and you know, the not delays but the pushback, I guess. And so with my wife Sarah and just us two running, this will be my 5th or 6th time for the Ogden one, and this is where it all began for me. It was my first half marathon. So we're up here in Eden. We brought our own car. We actually have 2 cars, so we're staying nice and warm in the car here until about 5 minutes to. But everyone else is lined up against the wall, not the wall, but against the road there. But yeah, we're about 10 minutes before it starts here. All right, starting to line up here. Here we go. All right, here we go. And start. Yeah, like the first 2 miles is all about juggling around people.
Yeah.
All right, we're at the top of our maximum elevation for the course. Water? Water. There we go. Mile 2. Mile 3. Gatorade for you. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm good. Mile 4. Just wanted to be in your picture. All right, about to cross the dam here and start our 6-mile descent. Towards the left there. Oh, we'll be at our back. Going in the canyon. Remember the glory. Nope, I'm good.
Water!
Whoa, we're already at an hour?
Yep.
Talk about their homes.
Yeah.
Right.
And then last year, weird COVID the Friday that we didn't. Yeah.
Gatorade? I'll take one. Thank you. Okay. Try.
This way.
All right, ready?
Oh, it's cold.
Mile 7.
She got back and ended up with asthma.
Mile 8.
My knee kind of hurts.
Your knee kind of hurts.
Yeah. She's doing the full. She probably would.
Oh yeah?
She'll probably beat me. But even well, I'm running the half this weekend. He goes,
All right, mile 9. 4 miles to go.
wow.
That's like the green loop
Yeah.
for the Ragnar. And there's-
Seriously. Oh, that's pretty.
And then the hot springs are just right down there.
Thank you. Oh, I didn't know that was even there.
See the hot springs? And those are hot too. Yeah. Yeah, we're not going underneath the tunnel.
Right now.
Got some bacon. Mmm. Good bacon.
How is it?
Yeah, yummy.
And goldfish. Or, not goldfish. Sweetest fish.
Hey, look, there's the timberline or timber mine. We were there a couple weeks ago for a school function.
Looks so good.
Water?
Water down
Water
there.
down there? I need a water. I am thirsty. Sarah has a new friend up there. Try to catch up here.
Crazy right along now, kids.
Yeah.
My headlamp off and just hold it. All the bouncing around. Yeah. God bless.
Thank you very much.
2 miles ago. It's been 1 hour and 50 minutes. All right, last aid station.
You're welcome.
Water?
Water.
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 Yeah, here's the Grant Street turnoff. And it's all flat and straight.
Good job, guys. Keep going.
Darth Vader's here. Yeah, Darth Vader. This is the way. Almost there. That's why we ran down Ogden Canyon. Almost there. Last part. There they are. There it is, you did it. Yes. Good job. Whew. Good job. Good job. Mwah. We did it. Ogden Half Marathon. There we go. How do you feel?
Good. I feel good.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Definitely tired, but
I'm getting used to this.
yeah, we're getting used to
We're
it.
used to it.
Yeah.